Let us discuss some problems on discrete probability distribution. In that, first we are taking one problem. First, we can identify is it suitable to which problem, which method. Here, the first problem is 10 coins are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at least 7 heads. Second condition is 6 heads. Third one is 1 head. Here, a coin means immediately we get an idea. A coin has two faces. It has either head or tail. Getting of either head or tail means the probability of getting head. They are asking about the getting at least head means the success is head. We are taking small p is head. Failure is tail. So we know that the number of coins, first we can take the number of coins are denoted by small n, it is equal to 10. And a coin has two faces, one is head and another one is tail. First we can get the idea, the probability of for one coin of getting head is 1 by 2, getting tail is 1 by 2. Why? Because the probability of head plus probability of tail is equal to 1. If a coin has two faces, number of faces 2, in that the occurring of head is 1. So it is equal to probability of head. Okay. A coin has two faces, head and tail. We can take now probability of getting head, that is equal to small p equal to 1 by 2. That is the p is nothing but success. Small p is the success of getting head. Q is 1 minus p. That is failure. This is failure. Failure means not getting head. The probability of not getting head, that is nothing but tail, that is small q equal to 1 minus small p, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find out by using of the binomial theorem. Binomial means in this failure and success, getting of head or tail. So here we can apply the binomial distribution. From the binomial distribution, first we can take the definition of the binomial distribution. It is denoted by b of x such that number of trials and probability of the success is equal to set of NCR p power r q power n minus r such that r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. And 0, it is the otherwise case, okay, for non-negative. By using of this, here we know that the n is equal to 10, p equal to 1 by 2, q equal to 1 by 2. In the first condition, at least 7 heads. At least 7 heads, the probability of getting at least 7 heads, that is nothing but probability of getting at least 7 heads. That is equal to p of x is greater than or equal to 7. At least means minimum 7, more than 7. Okay, minimum value is 7. That is nothing but probability of x equal to 7 plus probability of x equal to 8 plus probability of x equal to 9, probability of x equal to 10. Why? Because in this n trials, n is nothing but 10 trials. We can take getting of 7, getting of 8, getting of 9, getting of 10. Any one of the chance is there. So either 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. In that case, we are adding all possible probabilities. Here it is nothing but in the case of R, we are taking 7. That is 10C7 P power 7 Q power 7. 10 minus 7, that is q is 1 by 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, plus 10c8 p power 8 q power 10 minus 8, that is 2, plus 10c9 p power 9 q power 10 minus 9, 1 by 2 whole power 1, plus 10c10 1 by 2 whole power 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So here we can find out 10C7 is equal to 10 factorial by 10 minus 7, 3 factorial, 7 factorial is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 factorial get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 4 threes are 12, 12 tens are 120. It is equal to 120 into 1 by 2 whole power 10 plus 10c8. 10c8 equal to 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 8 factorial. It can be expand up to 9 and 8 factorial. 8 factorial, 8 factorial cancel. 2 ones are 2 fives are 9 fives are 45. The 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 bases are same. Then we can add the powers. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 10c9 is 10. 1 by 2 whole power 10. 10c10 is 1. 1 by 2 whole power 10. It is equal to 1 by 2 whole power 10 is taking common. 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1. It is equal to 45 plus 10 is 55 plus 1 is 56 plus 120. 176 by 2 power 10. It is equal to 176 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 7. 8, 9, 10. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 ones are 2 44s are 2 ones are 2 22s are. And one more 2. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are. It's 11 by 2 power 6 means 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 2s are 8, 8 twos are 16, 2s are 32, 32 twos are 64. 11 by 64. So probability of x is greater than or equal to 7 is equal to 11 by 54. 11 by 64. Okay. The second one is probability of getting at least 6 heads. That is nothing but probability of x is greater than or equal to 6. It is equal to probability of x equal to 6 plus probability of x is greater than or equal to 7. Already we found in the first case greater than or equal to 7. For greater than or equal to 6 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Already we found 7, 8, 9, 10 in the first case. So we can write it as probability of x equal to 6 plus probability of x is greater than or equal to 7. It is equal to 10c6, 1 by 2 whole power 6, 1 by 2 whole power 10 minus 6 is 4, plus 11 by 64. It is equal to 10C6 is equal to 10 factorial by 10 minus 6 is 4 factorial, 6 factorial. It is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 7 3s are 21. 21 10s are 210. It's 210 plus 11 by, sorry, 210 into 1 by 2 whole power 10 plus 11 by 64. It is equal to 210 by 2 into 2 into 2 power 8 plus 11 by 64. 2 ones are 2 ones are 0s are 2 5s are 105. 105 by 2 power 9. Here it is 2 power 6 is equal to 64. 64 2 power 9 equal to 2 power 6 into 2 power 3. 2 power 6 is 64 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 512. It's 105 by 512 plus 11 by 64 into 8 into 8. So 105 plus 88 by 512, it is equal to 1393 by 512. We can correct into decimal places also, or we can stop here. It is also no worries. Third one, probability of getting at least one head, that is equal to probability of x is greater than or equal to 1, that is equal to 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. It is equal to 1 minus 10c naught 1 by 2 whole power 0, 1 by 2 whole power 10 minus 0 is 10. This is equal to 1 minus 10c naught is 1 into 1 by 2 power 10. It is equal to 2 power 10 minus 1 by 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power 9 is 512. 2 power 10 is 512 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 minus 1 by 2 power 10. It's 1023 by 1024. This is the probability. Therefore, P of x is greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1023 by 1024. This is the probability for getting at least one head. Here P of x is greater than or equal to 0 means we can start from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 probabilities we can taking individual. But in the binomial theorem that R is starts from 0. So this 0 is not there in total probability. We know that the total probability is equal to 1. Probability of 1 to probability of 10 plus probability of 0 to probability of 10 is equal to 1. Then probability of 0 is equal to 1 minus probability of 1 to probability of 10. So this is nothing but probability of x is greater than. What we want this one, 1 to 10 we want. So we can subtract P of 0 from 1. So probability of 1 plus probability of 2, so on, probability of 10 is equal to 1 minus probability of 0. For that case, I am taking here 1 minus P of x equal to 0. Next problem, two dice are thrown 5 times. 5 times means immediately we can write it as the number of trials. Number of trials. It is denoted by small n is equal to 5. That is the first sentence meaning. Next, to find the probability of getting 7 as sum. First, we can find out probability of getting 7 as sum. Let it be small p. That is equal to how many outcomes, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Here dice are 2. Dice number is 2. So sample space, the number of sample space is equal to, that is total outcomes, 6 square, 36 are the total outcomes. In this, the sum is 7 means we are getting the favorable outcomes. Here favorable outcomes are 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. It is the first phase of the die, it is the second phase of the die. So now we are finding the sum of the two numbers equal to 7. The possible outcomes are only 6 possible outcomes. Total outcomes are 36. So favorable outcomes by total outcomes, that is 6 1s are 6 6 are. So the probability of success is 1 by 6, that is small p. Next, probability of not getting 7 as sum, that is equal to q, that is 1 minus p equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. Taking the LCM, we are getting q equal to 5 by 6. Now we can find out the case 1, probability of getting 7 as sum at least once, that is equal to probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. If it is greater than or equal to 1, then the total summation of the probability is equal to 1. In that, we can subtract the only 0 value, then we are getting the probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. Why? Because from the binomial distribution, that is B of x such that n comma p is equal to NCR p power r q power n minus r, or NCx p power x q power n minus x, where x starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. Here x is greater than or equal to 1 means we are taking 1 to n. It is too difficult to find out the sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the sum of all probabilities, we know that that is equal to 1. In that, only we can subtract the probability of x equal to 0. We are getting at least one of the probability, that is getting sum as 7. Okay. This is equal to 1 minus p of x equal to 0 means that is 5c0 p power 0, p is 1 by 6 whole power 0, q power 0, q is 5 by 6 whole power n minus 0, that is 5 minus 0 is 5. We know that 5c naught is equal to 5 factorial by 5 factorial, this is equal to 1. So probability of x is greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus 5 by 6 whole power 5. This is the answer. Next, the second case is exactly 2. Second one is probability of getting 7 as sum exactly 2. That is nothing but probability of x equal to 2. It is equal to 5c2. P is 1 by 6 whole power 2. Q is 5 by 6 whole power 5 minus 2 is 3. Is equal to 5c2 is 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial 2 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10. So 5c2 value is 10. It's 10 into 5 cube by 6 power 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 10, 1250. 6 power 5 means it's 6 6 are 36. 36 are into 6. Okay, we can write it as here 10 into 5 power 3 by 6 power 5 means we can write 6 power 4 into 6. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So here 5 power 1, 5 power 4 by 6 power 4 into 1 by 3. Or we can write it as 1 by 3 into 5 by 6 whole power 4. It is equal to probability of x equal to 2. Here 5c2 3. 3 plus 5. It's okay. Next, third condition is P of 1 is less than x is less than 5. Third one is we can find out the probability of the random variable in between of 1 and 5. That is equal to probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4. X equal to 2 means 5c2 1 by 6 whole power 2, 5 by 6 whole power 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 5c3 1 by 6 whole power 3, 5 by 6 whole square plus 5c4 1 by 6 whole power 4, 5 by 6 whole power 5 minus 4 is 1. It is equal to 5c2 value is 10. Already we found that one. 5c3 equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Again, that is also 10 only. 5c2 value, 5c3 value is 10. 5c4 is 5 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 factorial, factorial cancel, it's 5. So 5c2 is 10 into 5 cube by 6 power 5 plus 5c3 is also 10 into 5 square by 6 power 5 plus 5c4 is 5 into 5 power 1 by 6 power 5. It is equal to here 1 10 into 5 cube by 6 power 4 into 6 plus 10 into 5 power 2 by 6 power 4 into 6 plus 5 square by 6 power 5. Here 2 5s are 2 3s are. 2 5s are 2 3s are. It is equal to 5 power 4 by 6 power 4 plus 5 power 6 power 4 into 1 by 3. 5 power 3 by 6 power 4 into 1 by 3 plus 5 square by 6 power 5. Here we can take in common 5 square by 6 power 4 or 6 power 5. Then here all 6 power 5 taking common. 5 cube means 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 1250 plus 5 5s are 25 into 10. 250 plus 5 5s are 25. For this calculation, it is no need to calculate this step. Directly we can take this one, taking the LCM 6 power 5 and minimum numerator term 5 square. So it is 1. No need to get confusion here. 1 5 square by 6 power 5 means 10 into 5 plus 10 plus 1. It is equal to 5 square by 6 power 5, 50 plus 10 plus 1, 61. 25 by 6 power 5 into 61. 25 ones are 25, 2, 25 6 are 150, 150 plus 2, 152 by 6 power 5. Or simply we can write it as 61 into 5 square by 6 power 5. It is also answer.